If you want to edit player gear in Madden NFL 26, all you have to do is in the main menu we can go to the Creation Center and choose Edit Rosters. Then we're gonna go to Manage Players, and in here we can choose the player that we wish to edit. Of course we can change the team as well, and let's say I'm gonna edit this player over here. Now after that we can switch to Apparel, and we can edit the gear in this place. As you can see, we have the headgear first, so we can change the helmet. We have different options over here. We can adjust the torso, we can change the torso as well, we can customize it a little bit. We have many different options to choose from, to go through. So as you can see, it is possible without any issues. We can also adjust the appearance as well, so while editing the player, if you want to adjust the appearance, if you want to change the appearance for a player, then you can do so as well. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.